Understanding fuel line in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, fuel line. This term might seem technical at first, but it's actually quite straightforward once you break it down. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what a fuel line is but also how to use the phrase in different contexts. So, let's get started. A fuel line is a hose or pipe that's responsible for transporting fuel from one part of a vehicle, usually from the fuel tank, to the engine. When we break down the term, fuel refers to a substance that is burned to provide power or heat, such as gasoline in a car. Line, in this context, refers to a tube or hose. So, a fuel line is literally a line for fuel. It's as simple as that. Now that we know what a fuel line is, let's see how to use it in a sentence. The mechanic said there's a leak in the fuel line. We need to replace the fuel line. It's old and cracked. Can you check the fuel line pressure? In each of these sentences, fuel line is used to talk about a physical component of a vehicle. It's usually mentioned when discussing maintenance, problems, or repairs related to a vehicle's fuel system. Interestingly, fuel line can also be used metaphorically. For example, the new investment will be the fuel line to our company's growth. Here, fuel line symbolizes something that is crucial for providing what's needed to function or improve, much like how a fuel line supplies the fuel necessary for a car to run. It's important to not confuse fuel line with similar terms such as fuel hose or fuel pipe. While they can be used interchangeably in some contexts, a fuel hose typically refers to a flexible tube, and a fuel pipe is usually a rigid tube. Precision can be important, especially in technical conversations. And that's a wrap on fuel line. I hope this video has cleared up what the term means and how you can use it in both literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, learning a language is like adding fuel to your educational journey. It takes you farther and helps you explore new territories. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent before you know it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.